BLINGSTING sent me their Roadside Emergency Kit for my review, and I'm going to be gifting this to my daughter because I think it's adorable, but also I think it's a great thing to have in your car. Even if really in your backpack, if you're traveling, if you're anywhere you go, really, you should have a basic kind of like emergency kit of bare necessities, right? We are going to look at this right now together. I'm excited because I have not opened it yet. Now, a little thing to note is that the zipper is zip tied. So if you want to be on at the ready in an emergency situation, make sure to have that zip tie cut before you actually open the zipper, because you won't be able to open the zipper without it, right? So let's move on to actually looking at what we have in here. So let's open it up. Super exciting. Oh boy, that is a lot of stuff. Ooh. Okay, let's go one by one here. We have this is an escape hammer. So if you guys don't know what this is an escape hammer if you need to break the glass window of a car or cut a seatbelt. You can do that with this. This is super useful. Love it. Perfect. This is a tire pressure gauge, so great to be able to see what kind of gauge you have in your tire. So if you need to, if you have a flat, obviously. An emergency rain poncho, super useful if you don't want to get wet. If you're stuck somewhere, you need a poncho, good on you. Of course, we've got the bare necessities of the first kit. You've got prep pad, adhesive bandages, so band-aids, gauze pads, and non-woven tape. The tape is right here. So super, super useful for that. Now let's attack the rest right here. Let's see what they have here. What is this? This is interesting. Oh my goodness, this is an emergency charger. Super cool. So how does that work? You've got AA batteries in here, so they give you the AA batteries. So you put those AA batteries in here. Let me just open it. Let me take the plastic off, just like that. Let's see how this works. How do you open it? We're gonna, there it is. Put in those batteries in here, close it up, and you've got a USB-C charging, little portable charging thing. So if you've got your phone that is almost dead, super important to have this. So that's great. And they do provide you with the AA batteries as well. Great stuff. Ooh, this is great if you're stuck. Maybe you're in a emergency situation. Not only if you have been hurt or someone has been hurt, but let's say you're stuck in a winter storm in your car, no heat, no nothing. This thermal blanket is going to be super helpful. So that's great to have. And then what is this? Ooh, super cool. I bet you this is a crank handle. Let me just see. Yep. So this is a flashlight. As you can see, the flashlight works, right? It works, but it also is, look at this, a crank handle flashlight. So I can actually power this flashlight. I don't need batteries, don't need anything. I just crank it and I've got a little bit of power. Fantastic stuff. I also have some gloves. So that's always nice to have gloves. If, let's say you're going to be changing a tire, or maybe you're doing any type of work on your car or any emergency situation, maybe in the woods, you'll need some gloves. So yeah, this nice 44-piece emergency supply kit, super, super useful. It fits all in this nice little bag. I think they've done a great job with this. BLINGSTING has made, the bare necessities become even more. I mean, I didn't even think you'd get something like this, or a flashlight that's rechargeable, or a portable charger with 2 AA batteries. I mean, who would have thought of all of this stuff? Clearly, BLINGSTING thinks of these things, and way to go. Wow.